out to Pelican Harbor Marina today. We have Limitless Boats coming out with their 26-footer. We're actually going to do a whole photo shoot, video shoot, get the drone up in the air, and create some content for the new upcoming website. So come join us. Let's have some fun. We're actually going to jump off this island here in Miami, which is kind of a sandbar hangout. Very high tide right now, so we'll see how we get it done, but we're going to get the drone up in the air, get the boat nice and clean, emptied out, so we can get you a ton of good footage. Let's see how this works out. You're going to see this in action. At least it looks sandy up here. Water's going to be, I'm sure, warm. Good. We just got the drone back on land. Jason jumped with Abraham. We're going to do all the interior shots now. Plenty of photography so you can see every square inch of this boat, basically inside and out. And we'll try to get some of the factory stuff to mix on their website as well. So now that we've seen some of the exterior of the Limitless 26, let's go ahead and jump inside and see what they have going on in here. So we're gonna go ahead and start off the bow. This is about an 8.6 beam on this 26-footer. This has an optional forward seating, as you can see. Everything is infused on this boat. 27-gallon storage spaces here, insulated. We have our life jackets and fire extinguisher there. Got a 50-gallon box here down the middle, insulated as well for a large fish box. And you can keep this open if you'd like. Have your anchor locker off the bow, which we can check out well since we're up here. All with gas shocks, through hull, windlass. And you can see the quality of everything here is just immaculate. The infusion process they use is incredible, and we definitely want to show you some of that in the near future. We'll have a video going there. We got a console seat going forward. This opens up with gas shocks, and then you have a great space with an optional head. This owner didn't decide to go with it, but you can definitely do it. Access to your rigging, you got the push button battery switches there, which is a nice option. Now this boat holds 144 gallons of fuel, 45 gallons of fresh water, and does about mid 60s with the twin 250s that this one is outfitted with. So you can see this. We have an Edson EC3 full carbon fiber steering wheel, which this owner decided to go with. That is not a standard option, obviously. And you got the 24-inch MFD from Garmin, very nicely set up. Your vessel view, fusion head unit, all your switches nicely laid up right here, and JL audio sound system throughout. So you do have a hard top, which also is a standard feature. This box right here is an additional option. So are the boxes for the JL speakers here. So you can basically build it out how you want it, which is something nice. They have a gray powder coating on the piping, and you can see the quality of everything through and through. Leaning post, very simple, which we like. Perfect size. And this is an option you can go with too. You can keep this flat if you'd like, or add this additional storage. And you can see that they actually build out on the other ones that we looked at. They actually build these storage boxes, these covers. It's not just a starboard piece. You can actually match those to the color of your boat, and then you have your retractable cooler space there, which they don't have at the moment. Let's crack open one of these fish boxes. 27-gallon boxes, port starboard here as well. And we'll open up the bilge, but before we do that, you can see you have 20-gallon live wells, also port and starboard. We'll crack one of these open. Nice blue gel coat in there, keeping your bait happy. And then you have your aquarium opening here so you can check them out while you're driving the boat. Really nice rear bench seat, which is a great part of having the live wells on both ends. Besides being able to separate different kinds of bait, you have this removable seat down the middle, and there is the option to put a backrest on there if you'd like. This also completely pops out or drops back in. And I'm gonna show you, we got a water bottle in there. Let me pop that open. Jason, come in here and take a look at the bilge. Sea chest is a standard option. You can see how nicely everything is done in here. Very clean, easy access to all your pumps. And we'll drop this back down here. Again, this boat has twin 250s on it. You could go more if you'd like, but this is a great option for it. Say you can do mid 60s with this boat, which is plenty fast. So really nice construction all the way through. Like we said, they infuse everything on this boat, so it lets them be very efficient on cost, speed of being able to build these boats. Right now, CCO Yachts can get you one within 4 to 6 months roughly from the time of this video, obviously. So reach out for all the information. You can get into a boat like this at about the 180 range, nicely set up. Some of them get into the low 200s depending how fancy you get, but all through and through, the quality of this boat is just phenomenal. It definitely blew our minds when we first got introduced to them and checked out their factory, so much so that we decided to work with them on the sales side with our CCO Yachts brokerage. So we hope you guys enjoy this boat, enjoy the footage. We got all kinds of stuff coming from you. We're gonna actually go grab some lunch now. Let's go to it. We're hungry. Left Casablanca, is headed back out the Miami River to shoot north. It's been a phenomenal day. Honestly, the weather has been fantastic. This group is great, so a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed all the information. We'll have much more coming in the near future, trying to get some more of that factory stuff in there so you can see how this boat is built all the way from A to Z. Tried a plane with a single 250. Now we have 5 people on the boat, so six people on the boat. Not a usual load, and we actually got on plane. God forbid one engine was to give you trouble. Definitely could get back home in a reasonable time. Ready? There you have it. That was our day with Limitless Boats on their beautiful 26. Incredibly impressive boat overall. Runs tremendously. You can feel how solid it is and how that infusion construction really brings this whole boat together. So reach out to us with any questions you have. We'll be glad to help you out. Our brokerage, CCO Yachts, will be representing them a lot on the sales side. So anything we can help you with, we'd be glad to do it. Please reach out to us again with any questions. support@centerconsolesonly.net. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, pass this along with your friends, and we'll be here once again very soon at Center Consoles Only.